think that is one area you will help us in this workshop. What do we need to do? One thing for sure is to attract industrialization. But when I say industrialization, I'm not just talking of big industries, just many small companies that are making money. Any company that is making money will pay for power. Those are the areas that I'm praying and hoping that Nasarawa State will be able to close the gap.
Recognizing the strides that Nasarawa State has done as one of the pioneer states in terms of the developing the electricity market, and looking to collaborate and look for ways to support your work in terms of helping to boost the reforms that you're doing to attract more investment and meet the targets and mandates that you have. So for the next iteration of the program, they have selected 3 states that they're looking to work with in the next phase of their program over the next couple of years. Nasarawa being the first state among that list for that support.